Hello students, uh, myself Avanish Srivastava and I am working as assistant professor in AKGEC college. Here I am discuss the topic what are the security standards and applications for the in cloud computing. Uh, we will discuss each and every three keywords security standard application in one by one. Security standards and applications. In security applications in clouds, we will discuss the open cloud challenges, the cloud security challenges, software as a security services. What are the security? Security means what are the security uh, uh, is to be provided to the environment in which the different users uh, share the files, the files, the data and their data and the softwares, the software, the data, where the locations, where this particular data and softwares and files, each and everything. The file means it will be Excel file or Word file or video file or images, each and everything in a the security. What are the what are the security? Here we are discussing cloud computing. The security in the means the security in the means the software, the data and the file. The file means whether the file it is audio file or images or uh, voice file, images, audio, video, photographs, Excel, docs, each and everything, any type of the data which is available in a cloud platform. How the company is providing the security to these essential information, this essential data, as well as uh, as well as um, as well as the security to the specific, as well as the channel, the security of the channel by which the particular information is to be transferred from that location to another, to this particular location to another locations. We can provide this security through the software. Here it is mentioned software as a service security. Common standards, these are the open cloud consortium, a lot of applications, a lot of tools by which we can provide the security. What are the standards to be must be followed to provide the security, and which type of the application is used in cloud computing, that will provide the security, and safety of the particular softwares and datas which is available. It is also known as you can already heard the particular topic, that is big data or data analytics and data mining. Means the lot of data is to be available in the cloud platform in a in an environment, means in a data centers, and on their data center, this data center is to be available for each and every person to fetch the data. For example, Facebook data centers, for example LinkedIn data centers, for example YouTube data centers, all social media where the data is to be all the videos and photos to be uploaded and uploaded this particular platform, and this social media servers having the data is to be stored in on a cloud. What are the standards and what are the applications to be used in a cloud environment for providing the safety and security. Uh, the distributed management task force, we will discuss these topics one by one, in which is comes under the category of common standards, open cloud consortium, distributed MD DMTF, standards for application developers, standards for messaging, standard for security. What are the protocols which are using for messaging the particular from this location to this machine to that machine, and what are the protocols to be used for sharing the files. They are the and what are the role of the mobile internet devices. What are what are the role of the mobile computing. What is the Hadoop and MapReduce, VirtualBox, Google App Engine, what is the programming environment tool. We will discuss all these topics in the umbrella of security standards and application in cloud computing. The security in clouds. Firstly, we will focus the topics for security in clouds. So, cloud security, also known as cloud computing security, consists of a set of policies, control, procedures, and technologies that work together to protect cloud-based systems, data, and infra. Okay. These security measures are configured to protect cloud data, support regulatory compliance, and protect customers' privacy, as well as settings authentications rules for individual users and devices. I already discussed these particular concerns in that is the how they are providing the safety features. For example, all the uh, all the persons in India having the unique ID, means Aadhaar card numbers, and the details, our Aadhaar card numbers, our voter ID numbers, our bank details, our cell phone numbers, all our address, each and every important information of every citizen of India is to be stored in a is to be stored in NIs in a data centers. The particular company which is providing the safety or security of the data, and this data, it is very important to save and secure this particular data from others from others others means the person who are stealing your country's person's important informations. So 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 or the safe or the video or the data which is available, the data which is available on the social media or social networks, social networking sites, and each and every person have each and every person want to secure his personal information. That's why we are using the securities. The in bullet 1 and 2 we will already mention the same points. In third, from a authenticating access to filtering traffic, cloud security can be configured to the exact needs of the business, and because these rules can be configured and managed in one place, administration overheads are reduced and IT teams empowered to focus on other areas of the business. The way cloud security is delivered will depend on the individual cloud providers or the cloud security solutions in place for business. Making the transition to the cloud robust environment. Yeah, you can better understand this particular topic when we are looking the current scenario, that is e-commerce industry, like eBay, like Myntra, like Flipkart, like Amazon, in which all the customers in which a number of person having a number of person having have the registrations, have the ID of the social media e-commerce based, and their transaction is to be done from their transaction is to be done, and these transaction histories, these transaction detail, important information, bank details, each and everything is must be safe and secure. How we can provide the safety and security? What are the safety and what are the protocol is to be used? What are the different security what are the, how we can provide the security, how we can monitor the security, how we can channelize all the how we can scrutiny the level of the benefits of the cloud security. These are the, but it is very important benefit of the benefits of cloud security. First is centralized security. It is a BYOD, BYOD or shadow IT. It is very centralized security. You are free, you are not, it is a just as a cloud computing centralized applications and data, cloud security centralized protections. Cloud based business networks consist of numbers of devices and endpoints that can be difficult to manage when dealing with shadow IT or BYOD. Managing these entities centrally enhance traffic analysis and web filtering, streamlines monitoring of network events, and results in fewer software and policy updates. Disaster recovery plans can also be implemented and actioned easily when they are managed in one place. It is very one point is here mentioned is disaster recovery plans. How you can recover the data or files when any disaster is to be happen. It is very bad way ki, if you are going for a meeting and if you are presenting if you are presenting a if you are presenting any if you are presenting any or discussing this particular any topics in front of in a meeting, you can put a you can take the data in a pen drive and put it on the systems and open this particular PPT and display. It is a old way. The new way or a new in a current scenario, you can each and every person have each and every information of his data, personal data or any official data on a cloud platforms. It is not necessary to having a pen drives. It is not it is not it is a bad way to having a pen drive and all this. If your pen drive is lost, then your entire data is to be lost. The better way to store the data in a cloud computing in a cloud drives. And if you are going any meeting or if you are doing a project works, then get or fetch the particular data from the cloud, login to you can log in the your account and take the particular data or file from the particular Google cloud drive. Second is reduced cost. One of the benefits of utilizing cloud storage and security is that it eliminates the need to invest in dedicated hardware. Not only does this reduce capital expenditure, but it also reduces administrative overheads. Reduce cost means number of systems, number of time to time. If you are not using any cloud facility, then but obviously you can time to time the data, the capacity of the volume of the data is to be increased, then and the number of processes to be increased time to time. In that scenario, timely you can upgrade your systems or the server to manage the load of to manage the load or to manage the heavy traffic. In this scenario, if you can upgrade your systems or servers and storage space time to time, it is very costly. It is very costly, and you can appoint a skilled person as a an administrator to manage each and everything. So in a better way, you don't you don't you don't have any requirement to get a skilled persons for admin or time to time upgrade your systems. You can use only for the cloud storage. In cloud storage, it is responsibility the company who is providing the cloud services to upgrade the storage spaces which you get the which you can get this particular storage space time to time by the cloud service providers. Third is reduced administrations. That is, if each and everything is to be on cloud platform and all the services provided by the cloud service provider, then no need to for any administrator. When that is here it is mentioned, that is reduced administrations. When you choose a reputable cloud service providers, means AWS or Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, IBM Cloud, these are the different mega service providers in this field. The holy responsibility of all the services of these particular companies to provide each and everything. So so you can goodbye to kiss goodbye to manual security configurations and almost constant security updates. These tasks can have a massive drain of resources, but when you move them to the cloud, all security administrations happens in one place. It is fully managed on your behalf. Means only one admin or a number of persons is to be a number of skills person is required to manage the data centers where the actual data is to be safely stored. Fourth is reliability. Cloud computing services offer the ultimate independently. With the right cloud security measures in place, users can safely access data and applications within the cloud no matter where they are, what device they are using. Means reliability means reliable means Viswasnita, reliability, all the data and all the files, all the services and the results each and everything is to be available in a safe environment, and the data is to be safe, the software is the services is up to the mark, and the result is, and every time the particular result of a problems every time the result of a specific task is to be done, and the data is accurate, no duplicacy is to be there. That's why we are using the term is reliability. Software as a service security. What is the software as a service? Here we are discussing the software as a service security. The SaaS security is cloud based security designed to protect the data that software as a service applications carry. It's a set of practices that companies that store data in cloud put in the place to protect sensitive information pertaining to their customers and the business itself. Each and every company in this current scenario, each and every company are using this particular services from the different mega cloud service providers. SaaS security is not sole responsibility of the organizations using the cloud service. In fact, the service customers and the service providers share the obligations to adhere to SaaS security guidelines pledged by the National Cyber Security Centers. Different communities is to be built to manage or to monitor or to overlook the different what are the services they are providing, what are the features of the what are the security features of the services. The most important thing is security. It is very important. When you can create a numbers of the security features, even you can create a number of level of the securities, then 101% you can but obviously through the security features you can get the reliability. Reliability is very important. Reliability comes in the sense, in context of the any services which is provided by the cloud service providers. There are the 6 security best practices. One is enhanced authentication, second is data encryption, third is vetting and oversight, fourth is discovery and inventory, fourth is consider CASBS, and sixth is maintains situational awareness. These are the common security SaaS security best practices. Enhanced authentications, data encryptions means security. How can we can secure the data? When how can secure the data when data is to be transferred from one point to another point? And vetting and oversight, uh, that is in case of the business, in case of e-commerce based business, you can look the particular data. You can get the data and analyze the data. You can get after calculating after getting the data and analyzing these type of different data. You can get the informations, and this particular information, the management is have to ready to give any decision through this informations, and the information get through the data. So the data is to be must be safe in this environment. Discovery and inventory and maintenance, these are the important SaaS security practices. Common cloud security, these are the open cloud consortium. It is a open cloud consortium is not for a profit, manages and operates cloud computing infrastructure to support scientific, medical, healthcare and environmental research. Means it is it is an environment, is a big environment in which all other service providers and the research area and the research in the context of the geographical, research in the context of the metallurgy, research in the context of the healthcare, scientific, space, each and everything. It is it is open source. It is open source. It is not and this open source is not is this open source environment is not developed only for the profit. It is developed for the society to manage the infra, to manage the scientific, the scientific space, medical, healthcare, and weathers forecasting, each and everything. Missions, these are the mission. The OCC supports the development of the benchmarks of cloud computing, manages cloud computing test beds such as the open cloud. Test bed is to improve the cloud computing software and services. Test bed, it is a tool, it is it is a tool by which we can test the particular applications before apply in a whole market, before applying before giving to the our vendors, before giving to our customers, we will test these particular applications in a tool. This is known as a test bed, and develops in reference the implementation benchmarks and such as the micro milestone benchmark to improve the state of the art of the cloud computing. These are the different topics here we are discussing the in the context of the security standards and application in cloud computing. Here firstly we can focus the security of a SaaS, software as a security. What are the best practices and what is the SaaS securities. So in the next topic we will discuss the applications, and as well as which type of the standards must be followed in cloud computing. Okay. Thank you, students. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe if you please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.